Hey, guess what? I just discovered a new method of making this spiral turban. This one na top notch as in finish am, eh? Make we finish dem as in designers where all the people wey be designers make una come learn from creative hands. See, we don come up with different aspect of making dis spiral turban, or you fit call am spiral beret, anyone wey you like. Dis method is none like any other. You can't compare it, and is the best, as in the very best. Check out the back, check out the front, everywhere balance, everywhere balance. Ah, abeg o, if you just watch as the video go upload as soon as possible. The video will be uploaded as soon as possible. So watch out for it. Once I upload it, I'm going to let you know that I have uploaded. You rush and watch and begin to produce and begin to make money and thank me later. See you in class.